Happy Father's Day to all you guys out there. Got a beer here from Rahr and Sons Brewing Company. It's called Dadgum IPA, India Pale Ale. It is 6.6 alcohol by volume, 19.2 ounces here, riding danky. So do not find any information on here as far as the ABV or the IBUs. It does say quality brewed, community strong, Texan proud. It is brewed in Fort Worth, Texas. I did read that it has Citra and Lemondrop hops, which I've never heard of the Lemondrop hops. So let's get into this. It does pretty funny. You can't really see it, but it says, "Someone get me a Dadgum beer." So, thought this would be appropriate for Father's Day. Oh, maybe I shook that up a little too much. It is a very humid day here in St. Louis. It's about 83 or 84 degrees, but man, it is, in the sun, it feels a lot hotter than that. So, it is golden color. Boy, I can smell the citrus and the fruit from here. I mean, it's pretty powerful. Got some decent carbonation. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but it smells really good. Definitely smells piney and malty. Yeah, that smells really good. Never seen this beer before, never heard of the brewery. But again, Rahr and Sons Brewing Company, Fort Worth, Texas. Getting ready to cook some pork steaks here, so gotta try to make this a little quick. That's good. I get like an orange peel flavor right off the bat, and then it finishes pretty dry and piney. It does leave a little dankness on the back of the tongue. That's good. I want to say this was like $2.29 or something for, again, 19.2 ounces. That's pretty delicious. Get like the best of both worlds of a New England IPA and a West Coast. Good mixture. Pretty flavorful. Very flavorful. The aromas are great. This is a good, did really good melting the two styles together of a West Coast and a Northeastern IPA, or New England IPA, I'm sorry. It kind of reminds me of a Lagunitas, one of their IPAs. I'm not sure which one. They make so many different kinds of IPAs. This resembles a Lagunitas IPA, so it's really good. I'm going to go ahead and give this a 3.75 out of 5. The flies like it too, apparently. So, happy Father's Day to all you guys out there. If you see this in your neck of the woods, I'd give it a try. It's pretty good. They did have some other ones. To be honest with you, I don't remember what they were. But this one's good, worth getting. You know, for $2.50 or whatever I spent, $2.50. It's worth a try. So we'll see you all later. Hope you have a great one. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.